Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I'll show you how to set up mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then turn on mobile data from here. After that go to your settings app. Now from here go to connections and then go to mobile hotspot and tethering. After that go to mobile hotspot. Now by tapping here you can enable your mobile hotspot. Now if you want to enable your mobile hotspot, then at first you have to disable your Wi-Fi. Then just tap on turn off. And now you can see in my phone Wi-Fi is turned off and mobile data is enabled. If you want to configure your mobile hotspot, just tap here. From here you can change your mobile hotspot network name. Also from here you can set your mobile hotspot password. And if you tap on band, you can change your mobile hotspot frequency from here. You can choose 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz as you want. If I select 5 GHz and then tap on save, and it's done. Now mobile hotspot is ready for use. Now if you scroll down, you can also use one-time password from here. And that is how you can set up mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.